Hi and welcome to Vicky's Precious Petals. So today we're back on the Cricut machine, and I would like to just put a name just inside this. It's the letter A, and it's going to be a keepsake. It's got the pregnancy test in there, so I'm just going to put that aside for now over here. So we just need to get a text name. So I'm just bringing in the text, and the young girl's name is, now just so you know, we're going to do this vertically. Okay, so in between each letter you press so you get the vertical. So A, oh, I don't want that. A, Havana, I think is how we pronounce that. So this is, I've just got this set on basic cut up here. I'm just going to move this up. Come on. Just up here so I can see what I've got, so I can work out a measurement here. So I'm down to 20, what's the 3? That is, the width is 1.93 and the centimetres is 14.86. Now I'm just going to make sure that that is going to fit on here. This is the only one bit of this particular pink that I have left. And I don't know why that screen is sort of running a bit weird. Run perfectly before. So this is quite thick, this bit of vinyl that I have here, that's heat vinyl. So I've just got it stuck down so it doesn't curl up on me. And so, where's my ruler gone? Yep. So 1.93, so we'll call that 2. 2, yep, that's fine. And 14.86 long. So we'll call that 15, and I'm down here somewhere. I just want to double check the spelling on that name. Oh, come on. Yep. A-V-A-N-A. I'm not. I have spelled it wrong. That's supposed to be an N. Just going to edit text down here. I'm going to make that an N. Now, this spacing, I'm thinking it's a little bit far apart. Line spacing, go here. Letter spacing, no, it's not going to do that there either. Line spacing, come on. Can't go more than one. I'm sure I've done this before. What happens if I make the font a bit bigger? Let's just see one of these other fonts and see if it puts it a little bit better. So see how I just clicked on, what's that do? No, don't like it. Undo. How am I going to get that a bit closer? What I have done here is I've unclicked. So if that is locked, all these letters move together. But if I unlock it, because I just want this to be maybe a little bit shorter in height, I'm just looking at here. Nope, going the wrong way. Let's do it this way, faster. Go 14. So it's keeping it the same width across this way, but it's making it shorter this way. And I might make that width, what have I got, 2 centimeters? Yeah, that'll be alright. So I'm down to 14. Might bring it down one more. 13. I can just put the lock back on it again. Now, I just need to rotate it slightly because this is on an angle here. So I'm going to go over to the rotate. There's a bit of guesswork here, but I can do it this way. So I'm in 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 centimeters in. That is too much. Two. From there to there. Let's do that. I'll see if it'll work. I'm just going to put this in the machine. Okay, I'm just going to weed this and so we can use the letters. I just find it's easier to put them back on the board. And I put the plastic back on the side so I can put my arm on it. Okay, and bought this new little gizmo for when you're weeding. I usually end up with all these little tiny bits everywhere. Alrighty, is it going to fit? Yes, it will. Okay, I'll have to do it because this is going into resin and I've got flowers to go in here as well. But yes, it will work perfectly. Okay, thank heavens for that. Thumbs up, guys. Appreciate you watching. Bye for now.